Hi guys, good evening. So today we can discuss about the React.js. What are the structure of that React.js application and which that structure can contain multiple files and folder. So we can check with that. And after that, we need to create one table and we need to insert a dummy data inside that table. This is, see, you people can check. This is that my table. Yeah, this is that my table list of employees, and I need to create a table and I need to insert a data. This is the dummy data. This is that not, this data is not able to come from backend. This is not able to come from Java backend application. It is going to insert into that my dummy data in front end side only. So I need to implement this kind of application, guys, today. So first of all, I need to go to that where is my VS Code? Yeah, this is that I already that last class I explained it to that how we can create a folder and how we can create a project, so that if you don't know, then you can go to that previous you can go to the previous video, so you will get it. Today I can create a table and I insert the data, right? I will show you, right? Yeah. Okay guys, give me one time. People are facing with that compile time error. Okay, so what we have to do, guys, this is the tab, my React application folders and structure. So first of all, there is a what we have to do with data config.js file. In that there is a plugins is there, guys. This is the plugins related things, and if we want to change any server port related, if we want to add, then we can use this is that with.config.js file, right? So and next one is that package package.json file. So this package.json file can contain to that dependencies, right? So this is the dependencies. What see, this is the version. This is the name of the application and private true and versions type of module, right? This is the script and this is the dependencies. So we can use the dependency related code into the package.json file, right? So after that, what we have to do, there is a package.lock.json. This is also same as like that only. So it is that we no need to change this code. So right. So after that, we need to go to that index.html. Index.html page can contain HTML related code, right? So see here there is a div ID that HTML can contain that HTML code, and this is that tag of that HTML, and there is a one script. This is that script, JavaScript code, right? So we are going to write into that HTML and a script related code into that index.html. After that, we need to go to that there is a index.css. Here is that index.html is there, index.css is there. So how many index.html is there? We need to create into that for if I want to apply to that color, then we can use that index.css, right? So we need to check that also, but there is a what we not able to require it. It is also we need to delete here because of I created yesterday, so I don't want it, right? This is the structure of the, and there is a what, guys, there is a this is that what node modules. Node modules is nothing but npm. When we are going to using npm install what when you are going to write into that command as a npm install, at that moment that all the what guys jars file, it can be installed in this folder. node modules folder, right? This is that node modules. After that there is a public. In that public, vt.svg is there. Yeah, we can use to that. If I want to store a images, then we can use to that vt.svg, right? So after that, what we have to do, there is a src, there is a src folder is there. That src folder can contain what, guys? app.css is there, app.jsx is there, index.csx css. You people can check here, guys. Yeah, in this folder almost this is that main.jsx, index.css, app.jsx, and app.css. What have to do? I don't want to touch it, guys. I don't want to touch it. First of all, what is that main.jsx? See here, this is that what JavaScript code, guys. This is the JavaScript code. So that React DOM dot create root document dot get element by ID. This is that root ID of that index dot HTML file. That root that ID I'm going to calling in that, and this is that React dot strict mode, right? So I'm going to calling that what function name, guys. This is the app function where it is available. That function is nothing but, if people can check here, guys, app.jsx. See here, this is that function. Okay, so this is the function I'm going to calling into that where, guys, inside that main.jsx, right? This is the way it is going to call it. But I don't want to touch this that previous code. I need to create a separate what, guys, module. I need to create a separate component, and I need to create a separate JSX file, right? So what is my JSX file? How I'm going to create into that folder? You people can check here, guys. First of all, right click onto that src folder, and there is a new folder, and in that new folder I'm going to give in employee components, or else you need to create a first of all component, guys. Component, right? After that, what should I to do here? I need to create a JSX file here. I need to create a file that is called as a JSX file. How I'm going to create a JSX file? See, this is that my employee employee list list employee list employee list dot JSX, right? This is that folder. This is that file, right? Employee list data JSX. This is that file I'm going to create it. So after that, what should I to do? I need to create a method, guys. I need to create a function. In JavaScript, we need to create a function, right, guys? How we can create a function? There is a arrow function is there, and normal function. How we can write a method into that Java, same as like we can create here also. But I don't want to create a method. I need to create a method that is arrow function, guys. How I'm going to create into that shortcut? Say here, React arrow, and this is that React arrow function component, and this is that what, guys? This is that we need to use here, right? So this is that way we can creating to that arrow function, guys. This is we can call as a arrow function. What we have to call it? Arrow function, guys, right? So what should I to do here? I need to create a, first of all, how we can create a word, guys. First, if I want to create my uh, what table like this, I want to create a table, guys. What should I to do? First of all, I need to create a what, guys, arrays, right? I need to create a first of all array. How I create a array, you people can check here, guys. This is that yeah, there is a one of the keyword is that const and emp data. I'm going to give into that employee, right? Employee, right, equal to, this is the data I'm going to create, guys. This is that array, right? This is that array. Inside that array, what I need to do here, how we can create a JSON object guys. How we can create inside that word guys, curly braces we can give to that inside the double quotation that word left side and right side we can give in the what guys, key comma value as a in double quotation only, right? So same as like JSON file, how we can write same as like we can create a array here. See here how I'm going to creating. This is that curly braces guys. In that curly braces I'm going to creating to that I'm going to creating what guys, JSON data. See here, this is that my JSON data guys. You already know this. So what should I to do? Employee id. This is that employee id. I'm going to give it to that employee id as a what should I to do here guys, 201, right? So 201 comma, after that I need to give a employee name, right? Employee name guys, right? So employee name column double quotation I'm going to give in word guys, employee name Shrinu, or else what should, yeah, employee name Shrinu, right? And after that I need to give what guys, employee address, employee address, right? In that I'm going to give into that my address here. This is that HY Hyderabad, right? So after that, this is that one data, guys. This is that one data, one employee data, right? This is the for R, and one more field we need to add here, guys. That is what guys? Email ID, right? Employee ID, email ID column inside the double quotation. Yeah, I'm going to give it to the dummy data, guys, right? So this is that my employee one data. I need to give to that how many rows in table. See here guys, in this table you can check how many rows is there. See, 1 2 3. I need to create a 3 employees data guys. So see here, if you want to create one more employee, then comma, again you can open to that open braces and close braces, right? And this is the code you can copy guys. This is the code you can copy, and you can change the data guys. You can change the data here. If people can check what should I to do. Instead of 201 202 I'm going to give in. Instead of Srinu I'm going to give in what guys, Bhanu. Instead of Hyderabad I'm going to give in what guys, Chennai. Instead of email ID, what is that Bhanu email ID, I'm going to give in Bhanu 23 @gmail. Same as like if you want to create one more data, then comma you can open circle braces. This is that what is flower braces, sorry, flower braces again, not circle braces, right? I'm going to give in again. Instead of 201 I'm going to add in 203, and instead of Shin I'm going to give in to that Naresh, and he is that person what Secunderabad, and Naresh 23, right? This is that email ID guys, right? This is that my JSON data guys. This is the JSON data. Then what we have to do, I need to return this data guys. I need to, this is that data I need to return into that where guys, into that employee table. So this is the div tag is there guys. I'm not able to create that div tag, it is automatically created. Means this is that function guys. See here, this is that function, const employee list is that function. This function can give in return data word guys. This is that given to that this data returned, right? So that I'm going to give into that return data. How I'm going to creating that return data, you people can check here guys. So what should I to do? First of all I need to create a h1 tag. H1 tag I'm going to creating here. What is the purpose of h1 tag? I need to give into that heading tag it is, right? So employee list, list, right? So after that, what should I do? I need to create a table, right, guys? So there is a one of the what guys table tag is there. I'm going to create a the table tag, right? After that table, what we have to require, guys? Inside the table, there is a what table heading. Table heading we require, right? So there is a T heading, right? T heading. This is the T heading, guys, right? After that, what we have to do after T header, there is a rows. I need to create a row, right, guys? So tr, right? In this tr, I'm going to give into that what, guys? Table data or table heading, right? Table heading. So there is a th table head, right? I'm going to giving it table heading, right? So what should I to do? First one is that employee ID, right? Employee ID, right? After that, I need to give what, guys? I'm going to creating how many headings I will have to require. Employee ID, employee name, address, four fields and required, guys. See here, I'm going to creating employee ID. Next, employee ID right here. Employee ID, employee name, ID, employee name, employee, sorry, employee spelling out. Employee ID, yeah. Control C, Control V, and Control C. What is my next data, guys? Employee name, address. Address. After that, I need to create what, guys, here? Employee email ID, right? This is that see here, guys. This is the data is that this one. This is the heading. It is showing to that heading, right, guys? This is the data I'm going to create it now. After that, what I have to do in this code, I need to give what, guys? I need to write to that what table code, guys. I need to store that code into that where in this code, guys. So how I'm going to creating that code, I will show you. If people can check here, guys, there is a what, guys, after creating a table header, we need to give what, guys, there is a one more tag is there. That is what table head. After table head, if people can check, there is a table head. After table head, you should be give to that word, guys, body. There is a t body is the tag t body, right? Table body, guys. This is right. So this is the tag I'm going to using here. In this table body, I'm going to creating what, guys? One of the function, guys. This is the JavaScript function, right? So this is that for loop. I'm going to use into that for loop, guys, here. How I'm going to creating that for loop, you people can check here. First of all, what should I to do? I'm going to creating one employee. This is that variable, guys. Dot. There is a map. Is that method is there? Inside that map method, I'm going to, guys, this is that what how I'm going to creating lambda in Java, same as like here, guys, right? So I'm going to give in as a emp, right? And in that I'm going to give in what, guys? I'm going to create a I'm going to creating what function here. I'm going to create a function. This is the way we can create a function, right? I'm going to creating function here, guys. So in this body, I'm going to give into that table row, guys. Right? I'm going to create into that table row. How I'm going to creating table row? People can check. This is, yeah, what we have to do. We don't see. If you don't confuse, guys, this is that I'm going to creating what, guys? Function. How I'm going to creating? This is that function. In this function, first of all, what should I to do here, guys? I'm going to creating one of the function here for that looping purpose, right? So you people can check employee 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 dot map method. In this map method, I'm going to pass into that word, guys. Emp is that parameter, right? So in this code, I'm going to write in, guys, now. You people can check. Here table row I'm going to give it here, guys. Here in this table row, I'm going to give in first of all what, guys? Key here. I'm going to give into that there is a table row. I'm going to create into that one key equal to key equal to key equal to I'm going to creating what, guys? There is a this is that retrieving the data from to that above database, right? How I'm going to retrieve the data, I will give you. See here, there is a my variable name is that emp, guys. Emp dot what I need to get first, employee id, right? So this is that my first data, guys. So I need to retrieve to that what, guys, my data one by one. So in that, this is a table row. I need to insert the data. Table data I need to insert. How I'm going to using? There is a one more tag is there. That is table td, table data. Right. This is the table data. In that, I'm going to using this is that curly braces emp dot what, guys? My what is first? This is that employee ID, and next data I'm going to give in td what, guys? Emp dot what is my next name? Next column, employee name, right? Employee name. After that, I'm going to retrieving the data. What, guys? Td that is emp dot what, guys? ID, employee name, address, email ID. Where is my email ID? Email ID. What I given here, guys? Email ID, right? Yeah. So after that, I need to retrieve that email ID now. TD td curly braces emp dot, where is my email id? Yeah, this is that email id. No, it is that employee id, right guys? emp dot employee id. Where is employee id? This one employee id, and this also employee id dot employee id. Yeah, I'm going to, yeah, done. My code is done guys now, right? This is the way we can get the data guys. So after that, what we have to do, there is a main data JSX file is there guys, and we need to go to that app.jsx file, right? So this is that one of the function. This is that my employee list guys. So what should I to do? I need to go to that where guys, inside that what index.app.css app.jsx, and I need to get what guys, list of employees, right? So I need to return what data here, main.jsx file. You people can check where is my code here, component app.css index.jsx. This is the app only basis where I'm going to use package.json. Yeah, package.json is that no, index.html, and app.jsx file. App.jsx file is that we need to go and we need to retrieve the data guys here. This is the data. I'm going to retrieve the data. How I'm going to using this is that component is not available. What is my component here? There is a inside that my component there is a employee list dot jsx is there. So how I need to get that data? You people can check here guys. This is the data is not available. So what should I to do? I need to use what guys? Employee employee list, right? So how I'm going to use, not like that. You can remove it and use to that close brace. Yeah, this is that fragment guys. Which one is that fragment in that? I'm going to control X. This is that fragment. Oh, this is that empty braces is there, right? This is that empty braces we can call as a fragment. In that I'm going to calling to that employee list. This is that my component. Inside my created component, there is a one of the word guys. I'm going to creating to that employee list.jsx file I created. So I'm going to calling, I'm going to apply a given to that word guys function app, so that it going to returning this function app, that the app function can be returning my employee list guys, right? So what should I to do? This is the data is not available. This is that data is not available now. So what we have to do? I need to import that data guys. How I'm going to import what is my employee, import space employee list, right? Employee list from, yeah, I'm retrieving, but this is the two component not available. That is the reason I'm going to delete it. No problem. Now control s it, control s, right? So go to that what guys, where is my terminals here? Come to terminals, or else you can use control s. I did here settings. I think open remote window, manage outline account, Where is the- Yeah, new terminal. This is my terminal, guys. I need to run my application. So I need to go to that CD, my folder name, my CD space emp employee underscore management, right? This came here. I need to run this application, guys. So npm npm run dev. This is the command for run the application. Yes, my application running that port number given what, guys. Go and check where is my application here. Is not able to get in. Yeah, 300 2 is my local here 3002. I'm not able to changing that code, right? Then config 3302 going to give in control s server started update local 330 server restarted 300, right? So where is my text dot text dot what html? I'm going to give in that row is not able to touch r.jsx employee list employee employee list it not able to gain here, right? Created table go and check that code. Did I mistake anything? Table data, body table row. Yeah, this is the way we can create. Yeah. So I need to import, guys. I need to import a table to record here. Is that div tag after that need to create a h1 for the table table div tag h1 and the table tag table heading and tr xth close then employee then I need to create a employee data. I need to create employee data as a function of emp and in that table go emp dot emp id emp id, yeah, is correct. So that table data id table table data. Yes, it's correct only. CD space employee management and NPM run table. Why it is going to create into that this file? Not sure. No data come here. I think there is a some file I deleted here. Yeah, do one thing, guys. Very simple. I'm not able to do anything. What I need to do, I created one more project and I need to copy this. I need to copy this file. Right. So instead of this, I'm going to creating one more project. Right. It is not. It is getting some issues. So what should I to do? I create one more project here. Right. npm create bit at the rate latest with at the rate latest. My project name is that employee data employee underscore data. Right. So it is going to creating to that project. This package name invalid packages. This one global, right? PM create we the latest project employee data employee data. This is the PM create. Yeah, it's going to creating. I need to create what, guys? React application, and after that I need to create a JavaScript and it's going to create it. I need to move to the CD employee data CD employee data, right? Is going to creating npm install. Yeah, it is going to getting it and npm run dev. I need this. It is going to downloaded packages, guys. See here, it is going to downloaded package. There is a module folder will be create inside that where in src folder. In src folder, there is my we can check it. Node hyphen module folder is there. See, node hyphen module, it is going to creating this, right? With config.js. See here, production module is created, and yeah, my installing to that all the jar file here in node hyphen module folder, and I need to create a what? I need to create here, guys. I will show you that, and after that I will create. Yeah. So it is completed. After that, I need to run npm warning npm state was added to 70 package or to it package in 2 minutes package. Yeah. npm dev run dev, right? This is that I'm going to running my application. Yeah. This is that what guys? Localhost 5173. Localhost 5173. 5173. This is that my port number. Yeah, it is. This is that application. I don't want this code. So what should I do? I need to go to that various in index.html file. No, and there is a app.js file, right? So I don't want this code. What should I do? I need to remove this line, guys. I need to remove this line until t tab, right? I don't want it. So control, you can do control yes now and go and check in browser. It's not able to get. But instead of that, you can use to that h tag. Then h tag, h1 tag I'm going to using here, h1, right? So welcome. Control yes now and go and check. Yeah, this is that come to come, right? So what should I do? I don't want this data, guys. I need to create one what new folder, that is employee. My component name as a data employee data component, right? Employee data component, right? Components, you can create components. Inside that component you should be create a file name. What is my file name? Employee list. Employee list, right? In that you can create a, this is the code I'm going to copy it here, right? Or else what you have to do, control Z you can do, and this is the react aroma, react arrow function, react arrow for v where my data. So what we have to do, you can copy this code only. React role is it is not able to get the code thing, and yeah, this is already installed, right? It is not able to get it. Main.jsx component. Where is my like oh sorry here is a tag. I did rename JSX guys dot JSX. We need to save with JSX. React arrow function arrow function and that is component, yeah, and you can remove it. Control A, Control B will be get rid of it. Yeah, this is the data. And what should I to do here? There is a employee list dot .jsx. Control S you can do and come into that app dot .jsx. Here instead of a H1 tag, I'm going to use what guys? There is a employee list. What is that? Employee list, right? Control S. Yes, my data is getting this. Right? My data is getting 201, 202, 203. See here guys, this is the way we can create the database. Right? So inside that employee management list, there is a some what guys? What is the thing that I deleted? I'm not sure. So no need to worry guys. Same thing I'm going to implement it here. And I need to check with what guys? With that config, if you don't want to use to that port what guys? If you want to change to that what port number, then you can use to that here also. Okay. Yeah. How we can change to that bit dot config folder server. Yeah, this is the code you can use. Server column port number. Right. Wait config. Enter. Control S. That port number it is going to give in. I think it is wrong. Right. Go and check now. It will be go back. 3002 my server code it is not able to give in. 3006 it is given. So 3006 why it is given? Yeah, 3006 it is going to getting my data. Okay guys, thank you so much. We will see next. I don't want a dummy data store in this what guys. And yeah, one more thing guys, I need to use to that what. There is a I need to create a design for this table. So what should I to do? There is a one of the code is what how we can use to that bootstrap here. If people can check, I need to use to that bootstrap here, guys. So bootstrap how we can use go to that yes. I need to install bootstrap here. Yeah, I need to install cd space employee data employee data and npm install boot bootstrap if and save. Yeah, is going to downloading bootstrap guys. Bootstrap. I need to make my table as a covered guys. Applying under color. So what should I to do? I need to use to that there is a word guys bootstrap table code how we can use. You can check here guys. There is a first of all container bootstrap container. Go and check here bootstrap file container and is going to click onto that first link. There is a container. So how we can use to that in table code where employee list there is a table. There is my table. This is that my table, right? So use to that what is class name this one. Control S it will become as a container. My data will come as a container, right? My data will become as a container. After that, what should I do? After that, I need to use to that word base here. Container it's getting pushed off by container, and I need to create a table base. Table as a script. Class name table. No, here is that. This is the code we can use. Class name container. Control S and I need to use this is that my table going to providing to that color or right script space table border right. So control S. After that, what should I do here? And I need to import from where guys? Import from where? We need to import from CSS, right guys? Import bootstrap bootstrap slash there is a slash this slash CSS slash bootstrap dot min dot CSS, right? Use into that. Control S, go to the browser, guys. Here is my not able to apply, right? Right, right. Okay, which plus maybe using this color. This. First of all, you can quit and close all, open employee list. Yeah, my applying table for in this. I'm applying some way other file, right? So what should I to do? Table last name container. container, right? After the table, class name, this is the code, space, table, space board, right? Control S, and we need to import from where, guys? Import bootstrap, bootstrap class, or else what you have to do, I used some in here in Jdbc, I think you can use here. This is that code from that what is importing to that CSS, right? Control S, go and check in browser. See here, guys, how my table is looking now. I'm going to apply to the CSS, right, guys? So this is the way we can what is implement to the table by using to that word React.js. So guys, okay, thank you so much. We will see to next class. To that, I don't want to use this what is dummy data. I need to use to that Java, and I need to use the REST API, guys. Backend data I need to retrieve here. Okay, I will show you to next class. Thank you so much. Bye bye.